Hello, my name is Natalia, and I am currently in my second year of a master degree in web engineering at the University of Oviedo. Next, you will see my presentation of an application built with Windows Workflow Foundation in Visual Studio 2010.
First, I will explain how the service that simulates the application for a personal credit works. I have used a flowchart containing just one element, a sequence in this particular case, to present the flow diagram of the service. The sequence, grant credit, contains several elements. It starts with a receive that collects the user's data from the web filling form. These data are ID, credit purpose, and amount. These values will be assigned to the global variables that have been previously declared in the flowchart. The next element in the sequence is credit, the module that connects to the database and that collects the result of the application, which is then assigned to the global variable wage. An SQL Express database called credit has been created. I have added to it a credit table whose attributes are ID, name, and wage. For connecting to the database, a code activity of type boolean has been created. The argument that it receives is an ID number. The execute method of the class connects to the database. After checking if a certain ID has wage or not, the execute method returns the value of this wage. Once you get wage, its value is studied in the control flow element if. If the value is true, the text node credit granted to ID number X is assigned to the message variable. If the value is false, the text node credit denied to ID number X is assigned to the variable. A write line shows the message, and this one is sent to a send reply to receive that returns the message which will be received in the web filling form. Now that the design of the service is finished, we are going to test it with the test client WF4. We select the service by double-clicking on it, and filling form is shown. Once the data are filled in it, we invoke on the service, and we'll get a response as it can be seen here. In this case, the grade has been granted. I have built a web application that will consume the service by a web filling form, also designed with Visual Studio. For testing it, we'll right-click on the web page and select See at the browser. And a web page opens on localhost. We fill in the form and click Apply, and we'll get the decision on our credit application.